Welcome to the Introduction to Menus tutorial. Today you will learn how menus work on your website and why they're important. The topics covered in today's tutorial are 1. Introduction to menus, 2. How your website menu works, and 3. Explaining the menus dashboard. Topic 1. Introduction to menus. Menus are what allow your website to be navigated throughout. Menus appear on your website's header and footer. Menus are constructed of multiple pages. Menus can be created from within your website's backend. Pages can be assigned to a menu from within your website's backend. 2. How your website menu works. Your website menu has been created in the Menus dashboard. This can be found under Appearance. Pages have been created in the Pages dashboard, here, and assigned to the created menu in the Menus dashboard. This menu updates dynamically across your website, so the menu used in the header and footer of your website changes with this. Topic 3. Explaining the Menus dashboard. To enter the Menus dashboard, log into your website's backend. Navigate to the left side menu tabs and hover over Appearance and then Menus. This will open the Menus dashboard. Here you'll be able to create or edit menus and assign pages to these menus. The panel on the left is where you drag pages or items onto the right panel, which is your menu construction/order. You can select which menu to edit via the Select a Menu to Edit dropdown. You've now learned about menus and how they work on your website and why they're important.